How you doing, everybody? Jim Schroeder here, your Hoosier Auto Guy here at Kia of Bradley in Bradley, Illinois. And today's deal of the week, we have these three pre-owned Kia K5s. The black and the red one here on the left are 2021s, and the blue one down there is a 2022. They are all GT lines with panoramic sunroofs and power driver seats. The black one here even has tinted windows with the really sharp on here as well. Come around here to the back. I love the dash pattern on the back of the back tail lights there as well. Come around over here. They all have wireless phone chargers. Lots of safety tech that you can customize, tap on or off the way you choose. Look at everything here. Armrest in the back with cup holders. Again, panoramic sunroofs up there. Different drive modes that you can do. Again, you can customize everything the way you like it to be. Come along here, check out the red one. Swing around here. Trunks a bit nice size. Actually, let me just show you here real quick. Nice size trunks. And then there's spare tire and everything back here. Lots of room back here. And the back seats do fold down, so if you need more cargo space, you can put the back seats down as well. One side of it, both sides, whatever you want to do. Around over here. Got the black interior. All have power driver seats. This one even has heated front seats as well. Absolutely gorgeous here. Take a run. Now the blue one has the bigger touchscreen radio. They bumped up to the 10.25 or is it 10.25 inch screen there for the 22s. So it's going to have navigation built in. Or you can use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So you can use Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze Maps on any of these vehicles. Absolutely gorgeous again. They all have the Google Assistant or Siri Assistant from your phones. This one even has the Kia Assistant. Like I said, this is the 22. Absolutely gorgeous. Now let's talk about pricing in miles. So here's the great news here. The one on the left, the black one all the way over there, that is only $18,995. It's got 91,000 miles on it. And remember, all of these cars come with the free lifetime oil change program when you purchase from me, and I can explain that more when we talk. It's the red one here is only $20,995. It's only got 76,000 miles on it. And then the blue one is $22,995, and it's only got 37,000 miles on it. So great choice here for you. You're looking for a nice sedan. Great gas mileage. It's over 30 on the highway. I can't remember off the top of my head, but great fuel economy. I'll try to put that on the screen there. And then lots of great features, fog lights on all of them, remote starts on all of them, smart key fob, push button start, all that good stuff. So lots of great value for what you're getting here, plus the free lifetime oil change program from us. Thank you so much. Any questions, give me a call. You can text or call me at the number down below, and I'm here every day but Tuesdays. Thank you so much, guys. Talk to you soon.